Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If you just bought the D-Link R15 Wi-Fi 6 router, this guide will help you set it up quickly. In this video, we explain the complete setup process for the D-Link R15 Wi-Fi 6 router. Follow our simple guide to connect the router, access the setup page, and create your Wi-Fi network for better speed, coverage, and performance at home. Follow these simple instructions to get your Wi-Fi network up and running in minutes. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Now firstly, turn off your modem. If you already have an internet modem or fiber ONT, turn it OFF for about 1 minute. Take the Ethernet cable from your modem and plug it into the yellow Internet 1 port on the router. Plug the power adapter into the router. Connect the adapter to a wall power outlet. Turn the router on. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the LED indicator becomes stable. Open your device's Wi-Fi settings. Look for the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, printed on the router label. Connect using the default Wi-Fi password printed on the sticker. Open a web browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Type 192.168.0.1 in the address bar and press Enter. The D-Link login page will open. Enter the username as admin and password, leave blank by default. Click Login. Once logged in, go to the Setup tab at the top. Click on Internet Setup or Manual Internet Connection Setup. You'll now see different connection types. Select the type of connection your Internet Service Provider, ISP, uses. Select Dynamic IP, DHCP. Most broadband users have this. If your ISP gave you a username and password, then select PPPoE, username password. If your ISP provided fixed IP details, IP, subnet mask, gateway, DNS, then select static IP. Click Save Settings. Go to Setup, then Wireless Settings. Click on Manual Wireless Network Setup. You'll see options for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. For each band, wireless network name, SSID, choose a name, e.g., home_Wi-Fi 2.4G, home_Wi-Fi 5G. Security mode, choose WPA2 personal, recommended. Click Save Settings after each configuration. Go to Maintenance and then Device Admin, enter a new admin password to secure your router's settings. Click Save Settings. After saving all settings, go to Maintenance, Reboot Device. Click Reboot. Setup complete. Your Wi-Fi 6 router is now ready to provide faster speed, better coverage, and improved network performance. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.